Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is gonna make some Pokemon cards again, and then this will be the last and final vlog here in my channel. Since I have some problem, okay, and then I have some problem, right, and then I need some time to find some okay. So okay, let's gonna start it up, and okay, let's go gonna start that. Okay, so okay, so here it goes. Cars again. So we have some gonna make an announcement after the after this pulling of cards. Okay, so this will gonna be an emotional. Okay, so let's go gonna start this up. Okay, right here, and then okay, and then let's go gonna open this up. Okay, so it's one, and we have some Suezarot, Koopa, Full Art Riolu, Transpars. Okay, so right here, and yes, a Leafin V-Star, I have that. Okay, and then this one right here, and then yes, here it goes. This is the holographic, right? This is the holographic one, and we've got some Mawile. Yes, we've got some Mawile over here. So the full art holographic Mawile. So here it goes. We are in the Silver Tempest. So I know this already. So this is the shiny holographic, right? Here, there you go. You got some Cinderace, Zamagenta, Sableye, Wobbuffet, Ice Cube, Cinderace, Double, and a Toxtricity. So there it goes, and okay, it goes, and then got some Morpeko, Delmice, Morpeko VMAX, Milotic, Toxtricity, Eldegoss, Ninetales, and a Rillaboom VMAX. Okay, and then we got Laonda 2. Okay, we got some Malamar VMAX, Inteleon, Voltand, Rillaboom, Sandaconda, Caparaja, and Ninetales, and an Inteleon. Oh, okay, nice one right there. So, and then another, yes, that one. So Ninetales with a different art. Nice. Okay, that was a nice one also. Okay, and then over here, and then oops, something's wrong with the card. Okay, so we got another Inteleon, Dragapult, Trainer Sonia, Cinderace VMAX, Portuguese, Malamar V, Morpeko V, and a Lapras V. So on to the last one. Okay, so on to the last one. So here it goes. We've got some Rillaboom, Inteleon VMAX, Caparaja, Zasayan, Turtle, Meowth, Stonjourner VMAX, and a Milotic. So that's for the last pulling Pokemon cards. So Milotic, Stonjourner VMAX, Meowth, Turtle, Zasayan, Capiraja, Intelion, VMAX. Here's our Rillaboom, Lapras, Marpeco, Malamar, Portuguese, Cedars, VMAX, Trainer Sonia, Dragapult, Intelion, Capiraja, VMAX, Anaconda, Rillaboom, Voltan, Intelion, Malamar, VMAX, Rillaboom, VMAX, Eldegos, Toxtricity, Milotech, Marpeco, VMAX, Delmice, okay, Peco, Toxtricity, and the rest. Okay, that was the rest. And then we got some basic over here. We've got some basic Ball Corona, Full Art Puchiana, Mewtwo V-Star, Entei, Full Art Miltank, Wailord, Wailmer, Full Art Comfy. Oh, Comfy is a psychic. I think I thought it was a, what is this called? I thought it was a grass type, so psychic type. Okay, and a Leafeon V-Star, Full Art Drapion, Kyogre, Full Art Lunatone, Full Art Card Trainer, Gardenia's Vigor, Full Art Hisuian Zoroark V-Star, Full Art Swablu, Duraludon, Dunsparce, Full Art Riolo, Hoopa, Full Art Hisuian Samurott, Full Art Latias, Luxray, Full Art Bidoof, and an Electric. So, and then our pulls. Okay, we got some Ninetales over here. We've got some two Ninetales that is different from a different art. Okay, as you can see that art. Okay, nice art over here there, and illustration of this one is Saki Hoyoshiro, and then yes, Saki Hoyoshiro is the illustrator of this one, right? Saki Hoyoshiro, and then I think this one right here is our holographic full art over here. Okay, so this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. And then also, okay, this I'm gonna be announcing. Okay, I will gonna say it in Tagalog. Okay, since I can I can fluently speak in English. Okay, so pansamantala muna akong titigil. Okay, tsaka babalik din naman ako. So actually nakaproblema lang, at tsaka kailangan ko maghanap ng stable na work, or makapag ng maliit na businessman lang, kasi yun yun, I need money talaga. Naghahanap ako ng pera para pambili ko ng gamot ko. Sa gamot ko talaga, yung maintenance ko talaga, since mabagal kasi yung pag-angat ng subscribers ko dito sa aking channel. So talagang nahihirapan ako. So paano makagawa ng content na kakagat talaga sa mga tao. So para mag-subscribe sila. So para hindi para sila convincing. So in-expect ko kasi na itong Pokemon content na ito, itong Pokemon content na ito, ay nag-expect talaga ako na ito yung makapag-save po ng aking channel, since marami din kasing interesado sa Pokemon, at saka internationally marami din sa Pokemon trading cards, kasi marami din kasi ako nakikita sa mga international Pokemon YouTubers, lalo na rin po yung sa dalawang Pokemon trading card YouTubers like Leonhard TV at saka PokeRed. So actually nanood talaga ako sa mga vlogs nila, at saka napakarami po ng nanood sa kanilang mga vlogs, marami ding nag-comment, at saka marami ding views, at saka marami ding nag-like ng mga videos nila. So, umabot talaga ng thousands of comments, thousands of likes, thousands of views, right? So, actually gusto ko rin yun, pangarap ko din yun, di ba? So, actually, yung okay din naman yung views ko, umabot din ng mga 40 plus. So, ganun ka. So, parang hindi pa niya ako convincing kasi. So, akala ko kasi ito yung Pokemon ang makapag-angat sa aking channel. Ito makapag-angat ng subscribers dito sa aking channel. So, kasi I needed money para pambili ko ng aking gamot. So, I've decided na titigil muna ako at saka maghahanap ako ng trabaho of work na para pambili po ng aking maintenance since nag-i-stop na po mag-support yung sister ko na nasa USA. Nag-i-stop na po siya magpapadala ng pera para sa gamot ko. So I've decided na ako na ang gagawa ng paraan para makabili po ng aking gamot. Okay? Para makabili po ng aking gamot. So, um, stop muna ako sa pag-vlog at saka maghahanap po ako ng work or makapag-idea man lang ng business, di ba? So, actually, starting from now, nag-iisip ako kung anong business ang gagawin ko. So, wala pa. Gusto ko rin kasi yung, ng tempura, hotdog, at saka french fries. So, meron din namang mga, uh, uh, by kilo din na mga ganun, di ba? So, by kilo din naman yun. So, pwede ka na kung makapabili at saka kailangan ko talaga ng, yung butane at saka yung stove, di ba? So, para makapagluto. So, nagpag-isip-isip din ako ng mga ganyang mga business at saka yun talagang I think dito na lang ako sa business besides sa paghahanap ng work kasi napakahirap maghanap ng trabaho kasi ngayon kasi yung hinahanap kasi nila yung may hinahanap kasi may age requirement talaga ang Pilipinas so 30 below kailangan niya 30 below so minsan ka na lang makakapaghanap ng trabaho above 30 right so 36 na kasi ako so talagang mahirap maghanap ng trabaho at saka minsan meron din naman na yung talagang profession ko na computer technician. Minsan lang kasi minsan lang kasi meron sa akin magpapaayos na po, maintenance na po yun monthly. Maintenance na po yun monthly. Yung gamot ko. So, that's it for now. Okay, that's it for now. At saka, for the meantime na naman to, para makabili po ako. At saka, naghihintay rin kasi ako sa email ko ng National Visa Center Embassy kasi soon to be migrated naman papunta ng US so yun lang yung hinintay ko yung yung email po ng embassy kung kailan po yung interview ko at saka kung kailan yung interview ko at saka yung medical check-up ko. So, hopefully, next year siguro or this December. Hindi naman pwede sa December kasi holidays naman. So, I think next year na siguro, di ba? So, hopefully na mag-email na yung embassy sa akin para makapunta nila ako ng US at saka makapagtrabaho at saka syempre yung nagastos ng sister ko sa ano yan, sa mga gamot ko. So susuklian ko din naman yun eh. So babayaran ko din naman lahat yun expenses. So yes, honestly speaking, babayaran ko talaga siya. So talaga ano, public ano na ito, public na ito eh. So actually private, nahirapan din kasi ako sa sarili ko maghanap ng trabaho sa ganitong sitwasyon in my age din. So sa USA kasi walang age limit. So walang age limit sa US kapag nagtatrabaho ka. So either senior citizen ka na, nagtatrabaho ka pa rin, di ba? So yun yung advantages ng USA. At saka talagang looking forward to it na makapagtrabaho doon para makapag-sustain po sa aking sarili, sa aking mga maintenance po na gamot, at saka higit sa lahat, finally, I can have my own freedom right doon sa USA. So, dito kasi wala kasi yung freedom eh. So, honestly speaking, okay. So, ayun, tinatawanan ko lang itong problema ko ngayon. So, ayun, um, deep inside, meron din akong problema. So, hindi ko lang masasabi kasi wala kasi ako mapagsabihan ng aking problem. So, ayun, ganun na lang. So, thank you sa lahat. Okay, so, mahirap, okay, so, tapusin ko lang ito ngayon. So, I don't want to begin so emotional. Okay, so, okay. That's it. Okay, hindi ko nasabihin na mag-subscribe kayo, okay? Basta, thank you so much for watching. Okay.